Hi, my name's Ollie Spalding. I'm working with my partner Scott Shue on Hotelify, which is creating a next generation resident experience for property managers in high-rise multifamily properties. What we want to do is create a solution and create an experience in high rises that mirrors a hotel experience when you're on the road. It's just like you can call downstairs, get your room cleaned, you can get your dry cleaning taken care of. You have a concierge to take care of the various services that save you time. We want to bring that same experience to high-rise properties. So what we're doing is creating a platform where we can bring high quality housekeeping, laundry services, dry cleaning direct to your door through an online convenient booking platform, all while you get the benefits of a community discount from bulk pricing. So what we're trying to create is making sure that you can have access to the best vendors at the best price, all while working with the property manager to really integrate this with your building to really create a differentiated experience from the other services you can find online. So thank you. We are Hotelify. Feel free to reach out to us or check us out on our website at joinhotelify.com. Thank you.